Today's the day of the review for Tuesday's exam. I have here the test. No.
I know. I'm trying like angle it
The
up.
way I do the review is that I will go through each one of these questions
Alright.
and I will tell you what the question is about. So that you'll have, you may not know the answer, but at least you'll know what the question is. Alright, now, the first 20 are true false. So I'm going to have to change them around from a statement, which is what a true false is, to a question. I'm going to have to relate to a question. They are in the same sequence as you will find them in the book, which means we will start with chapter 1 and then 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Make it a little easier to find. Okay, is everybody ready?
You don't have a book?
Beginning
Silly.
with chapter 1, which is what is economics.
Hey, can y'all be quiet? Cause some people
Yeah,
are
I don't want to hear any talking right now, not during the review, please. You're just distracting from the rest of the crew in here. All right, question number 1 comes from chapter 1, and question number 1, what has led to a substantial gain in the standard of living? What has led, are you making, you are, aren't you? Huh. All right, question number 1, what has led to a substantial gain in the standard of living? And that's question number 1, true false statement. One more time. One more. What has led to a substantial gain in the standard of living?
What's the answer to that question?
It's true or false?
I don't.
50-50 chance of getting it right or wrong.
False.
We'll go through for ourselves, just not what it's about.
All right.
So it could be like apples are.
Question number 2. Question number 2. What is the difference between positive and negative economics? Not negative, normative, excuse me. Positive and normative economics. What is the difference? The difference between positive and normative economics.
What's the chapter 1 still?
Yeah, oh yeah. First 5 are going to be out of chapter 1.
Okay.
How many questions? 50?
Yeah.
50. Question number 3. What are the 2 key assumptions made by economists? What are the 2 key assumptions made by economists? Question 4. What does ceteris paribus mean? What does ceteris paribus mean? C-E-T-E-R-I-S, and then the second word is paribus, P-A-R-I-B-U-S. What does that mean?
Say it one more time.
What does ceteris paribus mean? Question 5. What is microeconomics? What is microeconomics? All right, question number 6 begins chapter 2. Chapter 2 was the 5 key principles of economics. Question number 6, what is a principle? What is a principle? Got it? Yes.
Did you say that we could use something on the test? Anything like notes or?
Nope, nope, nope.
Oh, nothing.
New cold turkey. Cold turkey. simply based on your memory. All right, question number 6, what is a principal? Question number 7, what is an opportunity cost? What is an opportunity cost? Question number 8. What is the marginal principal? What is the marginal principal? Question 9. What is the principle of diminishing returns? The principle of diminishing returns. Question number 10. Question number 10. What is the principle of voluntary exchange? What is the principle of voluntary exchange? All right, question 11 begins chapter 3. Yes, chapter 3 was exchanges and markets. Question number 11, what is the meaning of the term comparative advantage? What is the meaning of the term comparative advantage? Question number 12, why do markets exist? Why do markets exist? Question 13. What is the meaning of the term absolute advantage? The meaning of the term absolute advantage. Question 14. Under a market system, who makes the decisions? Under a market system, who makes the decisions? Question 15. How does a market system work? How does a market system work? All right, question 16 begins chapter 4, which was demand, supply, and market equilibrium. And question 16 is the first of the Davies traps. So this is one you're going to get wrong.
No.
Trust me, you will. This is the Davies trap, but I'll give you a big clue. Question 16 deals with a change in the price of a product. What's that going to cause? When the price of a product goes up, what's that going to happen? What's going to happen?
Changing quantity of
Wait.
vendors.
What was the question?
The first one.
No, I-
When the price of a product goes up, what's going to happen? Okay? What's going to happen?
Words.
Okay. Question 17 is also a Davies trap, but you'll probably get this one right. Because this one deals with what causes quantity supplied to change.